Hello and welcome to my channel Creative by Nature. My name is Donna. I have teamed up with a fabulous group of creative women and we are taking some old DIYs and repurposing them into some new DIYs. I will have the playlist down in my description box. Please go check it out. I had made these two succulent wall art pieces, and this one I had accidentally dropped and it fell apart. I had also made this succulent arrangement and same thing happened. I dropped it and it fell apart. So I thought these would be perfect for today's project. I will have both of those DIY videos posted down in my description box. I am just going to be taking all the succulents and pieces out and cleaning them up. I'm going to set the two frames aside for a project at a later date. Okay, for my first DIY, I am using two of the containers that I had in that previous video for the succulent DIY arrangements. I've cleaned them up and I've got two succulents and some reindeer moss from the same container. I'm using a generous amount of hot glue and I am going to adhere the succulent to that flat bottom base. I am now using some hot glue to adhere some reindeer moss in around the succulents. I'm now going to add just a touch of greenery that I had in my stash from a previous project on the larger succulent piece. I have two battery operated candles from Dollar Tree and I am going to just slip those faux lanterns I created over top of the candles. And here is what that looks like. Perfect for any summer decor. Okay, so for my next project, I've got this grapevine wreath from my stash and some pieces of driftwood from a local beach. I am just going to figure out my placement, then use a generous amount of hot glue to attach the wood to the wreath. I'm then going to take some florist wire and secure the branch to the wreath form. I am now adding some hot glue just to help adhere the branch more securely to the wreath form. I am now going to add another branch and do the same process. I'm just going to figure out the placement of my succulents before I glue anything into place. This way here you can get the desired look you'd like. I had added another branch just in between the two larger pieces I had. Once satisfied with the placement of your succulents, you can start gluing them into place. Again, use a generous amount of hot glue to help adhere the succulents to your wreath form. I'm adding a bit of reindeer moss and a few more branches to my wreath, just to help break it up a bit and just to help cover up any wire or little pieces that you want to hide. Flipping my wreath over so I can add some moss to the back side of the branches just to give it a bit more dimension. Here's a tip: use a blow dryer to get rid of any glue strings. I'm just checking to make sure that all my succulents are secure, and now I am going to add another florist wire on the back to create a hook for hanging. I could have done this to start, but I didn't know exactly where the top of my wreath was going to be, so I've decided to do that part last. And there we have it, a beautiful wreath for summertime. I want to say a big thank you to the ladies for joining me on this collaboration, and thank you all for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.